y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video I decided to deliver to you guys this blue electric eyeshadow look. Now I've been seeing blue eyeshadow everywhere lately, you know, and I've been loving it. So I was inspired by what I've been seeing, so I'm like, you know what, no, I need to get a part of this blue eyeshadow trend thing going on right now and give it a shot. So that's what I did today. I typically don't wear a blue eyeshadow on my eyelids. I usually, you know, do the lower lash line with the blue, but guys, I'm feeling this look. I'm loving it. Yes, I am. So yeah, I stepped out of my comfort zone just a little bit just to deliver something a little different. All right, guys, so if you want to see exactly what I did to get this eyeshadow look, keep on watching. Alright, so here we go, y'all. I've applied my foundation and did my eyebrows off of camera just so that I can save some time. I don't want this video to be too long. Alright, so for the eyes, I'm going to prime my eyes with concealer. I've been priming my eyes with concealer lately, and I find that it's as effective as priming my eyes with an actual eye primer. And I'm going to use Kevyn Aucoin's concealer to prime my eyes. And this just gives the eyeshadow something to stick to. And I feel like when I prime my eyes with concealer, my eyeshadows does not crease and it lasts a lot longer than when I don't prime my eyes. Okay, this concealer is very thick, so I think I put a little bit too much, but that's alright. I'm gonna just blend it out with my finger. This concealer is not a little thick, it's a lot, it's very thick. Okay, so don't apply too much of it like I just did. And because this concealer is so thick, I'm gonna go in with banana powder just to set it. We don't want this to crease, okay? So for today's look, I'm going to be using two eyeshadow palettes, and the first one is the Sleek Makeup eyeshadow palette. This was sent to me from Sleek Makeup, and it's their Beautiful Sin 578 palette. So I love that it comes with a mirror. Guys, I love palettes that comes with a mirror. I don't understand why palettes are still coming out without a mirror. All palettes need to come out with a mirror, so that's a plus. And these are the eyeshadows. And off the bat, what I don't like about this eyeshadow is that the names are not here. They're not even on the back, they're on the package. So I don't feel like getting up to get the package, but guys, can you please, all eyeshadow palettes going forward, can you please just write the names of the colors here? So for my transition color, I am going to use this color right here. And the reason why it's so nice to have an eyeshadow palette with a mirror is because I can hold it and use the mirror while I apply the eyeshadow, you know what I mean? I'm happy that this palette has a mirror. And this color is not really going to show up on my skin tone, but I like it because I feel like it helps blend all the other colors. So off the bat, I can tell this has a little kickback, but not too bad. Not too bad. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a brow bone highlight today. I don't think so. I think I'm just leave it the way it is. So you don't always have to have a highlight up there. I like how this color blends so evenly and easily. So, I'm not mad at this. Next, I'm going to take this brown color here and put that in my crease and use that as my crease color. This is not the brown that I need this to be a little, I need this brown to show up a little darker, so I'm going to use another color. So I'm going to take the brown color in my Lorac Pro eyeshadow palette, and it's in the color Sable and Espresso. I'm going to mix these two browns together to get the brown that I'm looking for. So yeah, I'm going to use 3 eyeshadow palettes because I didn't like that brown in the Sleek Makeup palette. There we go. I'm trying to see if I should cut my crease or not. Now I'm going to go in with that first brush, not adding any more product, and I'm just going to blend that. Let's have some fun today. I'm going to cut my crease. I'm just going to take just any old flat brush like this and go back into my Kevyn Aucoin concealer and not put too much concealer this time. And I'm just going to cut my crease. I haven't done this in a while. And because I have hooded eyelids, I'm gonna cut my crease above my lid, like right above it. Because with hooded eyes, when I open my eyes like that, you're not able to see, you know, all the hard work I put into it, you know? Now just to make sure that the cut crease is the same on this side, I'm gonna look down, all right? Because we don't want this to be uneven, you know? So when you're cutting a crease, if you wanna make sure that they're both even, just look down into a mirror and that'll help. And since I lost some of the brown that was in my crease, I'm just gonna go in and darken it just a little bit. Now, as my lid color, y'all know I love Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. I am going to use the color Cleopatra. This blue, this electric blue right here. One of my favorite shades from this palette. Look how pigmented that is. Oh my God. Now I'm going to take this angle brush and go back into that sleek eyeshadow palette and use this black color right here. Alright, I'm going to use that on my outer V and into my lash line. Perfect. This color is definitely black enough, so I'm just going to put that right there and make like a V. I'm going to apply my concealer and be right back. Alright, so I'm done applying my concealer and contour, cream contour, and so before I finish the eye look, I just want to set my concealer. Now, one of my favorite setting powders for under eye concealer is the Sacha Buttercup. I want to thank Sacha Cosmetics for sending me a Sacha Buttercup because I did run out, and yeah, so I like this one. And I also like the Laura Mercier. You guys already know how I feel about Laura Mercier setting powder, but I do like to use the Sacha Buttercup when I'm looking for more of a dramatic look because it brightens my under eye area. So yeah, I'm sure you guys have seen this powder everywhere, all over YouTube, yeah. But if you haven't tried this before, I would highly recommend you give this a shot. So I'm going to use the same sponge that I used to apply my concealer. This is the Real Techniques body sponge, and I love it because it covers such a big area. It takes me no time to blend my makeup. Also my small lines, because I do tend to crease there. So basically everywhere that I applied the concealer. Okay, I went ham with this powder. I know it looks crazy right now, but it'll come together at the end, I promise. Alright, I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier powder just to tone it down just a little bit. When I do this, y'all, my makeup does not budge for the whole night. And like I said, I only do these setting powders when I'm looking for a dramatic look and I need my makeup to last through, you know, through an event. Now I'm just gonna set my contour with my Black Up contouring powder. Just so that my cheekbones could pop a little more, I'm going to take the Laura Mercier powder. The Sacha powder might be a little bit too bright, so I like to use a medium deep Laura Mercier powder just to make my cheekbones pop out a little bit more. So now I'm going to let this sit for a minute. I'm going to finish my eye look. I'm going to take my black pencil from Rimmel London and just line my lower lash line. You know what, let me wipe this excess powder off. I don't want this to bake too long. I'm going to use my Sephora setting powder. Alright, and I'm going to use this to wipe the excess powder and also set the rest of my face. So if you ever feel like you've gone too bright with your setting powder for your under eye area, just go in with your face setting powder that's in your shade and you can tone it down. Like I'm about to do right now. So alright, to finish this eye look, I'm going to take this blue eyeshadow pencil from Lancome, and it's their Lancome Ombre Hypnosis Styler color in 31 Blue Chrome. I love this. Now just to blend that out a little bit, I'm going to take my pencil and take that same brown color that I put in my crease on my lower lash line. The two from the Lorac Pro. Mix these two together. See, that just helps to give it like a little smoky look. This blue eye pencil went so well with the lid color. It's like the same exact color. Next, I'm going to take this mascara that I was also sent to me from Sleek Makeup just to prep my eyes for the faux lashes. Oh, I really like the band on this. It's flexible and it looks like it'll coat all of my little bitty strands. These will be perfect for the bottom lashes actually. Next, I'm trying on some new lashes. Hopefully they look nice with this look. It's from Eylure Cosmetics. They sent these to me, and this is the Marquise Luxe Silk Lashes. I like that they're wispy. I love wispy eyelashes. Alright, so let's see. Nice. It comes with the lash and also the lash glue, which I will try today. I do have a video on how to apply lashes, super duper beginner friendly. Yeah, and I've been using this method since I started wearing makeup, basically, or since I started wearing lashes, faux lashes. Give it a couple of seconds. Next, take your mirror, look down, and apply the lashes on top of your lash line, okay? Super easy. For today's highlighter, I'm also going to be using this palette from Sleek Makeup. This is my first time using it, but check out this packaging, y'all. This is so pretty. Alright, and it's their highlighting palette in Cleopatra's Kiss. Alright, so y'all see something going on here? Cleopatra on the eyes. I didn't even do that on purpose, alright? Okay, so with this highlighter palette, it has 2 cream highlighters and 2 powder highlighters. So I think I'm going to use this cream highlighter here and then top it with this one. I'm just happy it has a mirror as well. So I think I'm going to go with my fingers, or should I go in with the body blender? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'll go in with this and dip it into the cream highlighter. I have never used a cream highlighter before, so I'm curious to see how this works. Oh, wow, okay. Do y'all see that? Oh, that's pretty. I'm finding that the cream highlighter is a little hard to blend with the sponge, so I'm just going to go in with my fingers because I don't want it to sit on the skin. I want it to like melt into the skin. Now I'm going to go into that powder highlight and set that. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. And because I didn't apply brow highlight, I'm just going to sweep that really lightly. Next, I'm going to line my lips with BFF3 from ColourPop. This is almost done. My favorite lip liner as of late. I'm going to take a MAC lipstick. I haven't worn a MAC lipstick in a while, and Naturally Transforms, like a nude color, and just fill my lips in. I like to go in with like a super nude color when I wear a dramatic eye like this because I don't want the lip and the eye look to clash, you know? Look at that highlight. So to finish everything off, I'm just going to go in with my Sacha Cosmetics Fix It Spray and just seal the deal, alright? Now this was also sent to me by Sacha Cosmetics, and I've been wearing this for the past week or so. I do like the way it leaves my makeup feeling fresh and not powdery, okay? And because I have oily skin, I feel like this does help keep the oils at bay. I forgot to do an inner tear duct. I'm going to just use a highlighter from Becca Opal for my inner tear ducts. And this is the final makeup look. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. And of course, all the products that I used today will be listed in the description box. Feel free to leave any comments or questions in the comment sections and I'll be sure to get back to you. Of course, do not forget to follow me on all of my social media, including Snapchat and Instagram, especially Instagram, and because I do post daily pictures of what I'm doing in my makeup looks and my hair, etc. And of course, guys, do not forget to hit the like button and also to subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, you might as well hit that notification bell so that when I do upload a video, you'll be notified immediately. Alright, because YouTube be playing sometimes and some people be like, no, we didn't know you posted a video. So that's why you need to follow me on all my social media, because I do alert everyone, and also that notification bell does not hurt. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye.